What's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Fanny and today we are going to talk about the 5 mistakes to avoid in technical writing. I hope that by the end of this video, these tips will help you write concise, clear and user-friendly documentation. So let's get started. Mistake number 1 is overcomplicating your document. I get it. We all want to sound professional. We all want to sound smart. But did you know that sometimes using complicated words will instead confuse your readers? Simplicity is key to technical writing. Just write like you're explaining to a friend or a 5-year-old who have no idea what you're talking about. As simple as you can. The second mistake to avoid is not having a structure. Have you ever come across a user manual that has no blocks, has no headings, just words? If that exists, that is terrible. When you're writing, make sure that your documentation is easy to navigate through. Someone can jump from one subheading to another. Someone can easily find one subtopic or subheading on your documentation and another easily, using things like headings, subheadings, proper text, bold. You can include introduction, body, conclusion, so that it's so easy for your readers to navigate through your document. Number 3 is the most important mistake we need to avoid: ignoring your audience. You need to know who you're writing for and what problems they are facing. And once you identify that, you should be able to tailor your content specifically to that particular audience. And sometimes if you write, especially maybe a technical blog, and someone fails to understand and they reach out to you or they write a comment that something was not clear, please go back and make it clearer. Go back and always update your documentation so that it's a lot more easier. I personally go back and re-edit blogs I wrote 2-3 years ago. So be sure you don't ignore the audience. Mistake number 4 is proofreading. I personally have made these mistakes, but it is terrible. Make sure that before you put your document out there, you've proofread. Look out for typos, look out for grammatical errors. You can use tools like Grammarly. I use Grammarly. It can help you identify a few grammar errors that you can look through before submitting your document. Also, human review is very important. Reach out to a friend if you're writing solo. Reach out to a friend to go through your document before you publish it. They'll give you feedback and then you can improve. Or if you're working with a group of editors, you can just reach out to the editor. Normally the editor will give you the feedback and then identify a few errors, and then you can fix that before having your document go live. Mistake number 5, visuals. Not using visuals. Sometimes they say a picture is worth 1,000 words. Screenshots, diagrams, illustrations, GIFs, these things are really important in helping someone understand what you're writing about, even if they have not understood what you've written. But when you include a visual, they are able to identify and engage with your content. So don't shy from visuals. They can, even in complex topics, sometimes the visuals are the best explainers. So those are the 5 mistakes I wanted to share with you today, and I hope that you look through this and execute it in your documentation process. And if you found this video helpful, be sure you subscribe and see you in the next one.